Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, this mid-afternoon update here. And today, I believe it's, what is it today? Hold on a second, my good audience. It is July the 22nd, 2025. And it's mostly been a consolidation slash sideways trading to slightly down. Some coins are up as there's been those sporadic pumps on some of the lesser known coins that have been beaten down but are showing signs of life. The Bitcoin price currently is one of the ones that are up today. It had a down day yesterday, the 21st, but it's up 1.75%, attempting to retake the $120,000 level. Ethereum is finally having a down day. It's down from, it was down about 3% very early this morning. Then it rallied back to even. Now it's falling at the current recording because it's down nearly 2% again. XLM is even on the day. Algo is slightly down 1.25% to 1.75%. XCN is slightly up today, and the XRP is even today, sitting at $3.57. And we'll start with a brief look, and we're going to do all of these as we are in the mobile compound, and we do not want that. We do not want that. We're going to do this here, and we're going to look at all of these just in a tight, close-up hour time frame. And you can see with the XRP, we're sitting right in between, just underneath the $3.76 upper resistance. And as you do know, if you break that 376, well, that's actually quite a ways up there, and it doesn't show it on here, so we're not even going to zoom out. But the 376 is your short-term major resistance. You're trying to retake that, and then you can reclaim the all-time high on Coinbase, which is $3.85 from 6.5 years ago, in the bull market that really got XRP into the retail and mainstream. And as long as you're above that short-term support here at 304, you're short-term bullish. If you, on any kind of consolidation, broke the 304, your next major support level, which is the short to medium-term bullish or bearish, the 50-day moving average and that horizontal left to right orange to $2.57. Right now, we've just been trading sideways, and it looks like we're going to continue to do that. We'll come back and look at that a little bit later on this evening when we do our evening update. You can see Algo is starting to get rejected by the upper resistance of this red trading zone at the 36 cents. We formed that peak top right there. And what we're going to look for now is, can we maintain at any kind of consolidation? You can come down. Come on. You can come down to the bottom part of this red trading zone box. That the bottom is 24 cents. You can come all the way down to 24 cents, and you will still remain bullish. If you got below that 24 cents, you start to get short-term bearish, because the major bearish or bullish level that you're trying to stay ahead of and not confirm it as resistance is that 20 cents just below the three major moving averages, right? But as long as you're above that 24 cents, you're bullish. What you need to do now is break that 36 cents and use that 36 cents in the short term as major short-term support, and then you can try to pump to the next level or the bottom part of that green support and resistance box that we have just above there, right? If we look at LCX, you can see LCX has gotten rejected again for a third time here since the 24th what is that? July. Wow, we're already at the 24th of July at about that green overhead support resistance level. That's your major area in the short term you need to reclaim. If you can make a move up here to the next level, and the next level is that bottom part of that orange support and resistance box. They're at about 22 to 24 cents. But if you continue and you can't get above this, if you did get above this, it would get up there very, very quickly, right? But if you continue to get rejected and you can't get above it, you're going to retest again that major underneath support level, which is the 0.0928, or the top part of that orange support and resistance box. If we go up and look at, I don't think we looked at the XLM. The XLM is in a similar spot to the XRP. You can see it consolidating just below that 55-cent major upper resistance, but safely above the major short to medium-term bullish or bearish 36 cents light green support and resistance trading box down there, and we're safely and just above the 43 cents, right? So in the short term, you're looking to stay above the 43 cents, and then on the contrary, you're looking to break to 55 cents to the upside, right? Like the channel, subscribe. We'll give you a nice, more extensive, beautiful update later on this evening as we have more time. But before we let you go, we do have to take a look at some Ethereum. That ain't Ethereum. There's Ethereum. You can see Ethereum is consolidating at the top part of this local rising channel that we've been in for about 3 months, safely above the 34.80 and 67 cents, the top part of that green trading box, and that's what you're trying to stay ahead of to try to continue to form a base now to make your next move to $4,000 or $4,500 and make a run, I believe, near 5,000 is the all-time high, or 4,500. We're safely above the major critical short-term support at the 34.60. Like the channel, subscribe. Peace and love to my beautiful, glowing, lovely audience. Jade.